Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency returned on Saturday night. DJs King Taj, Wizkid, Deli, and Roderick all delivered the list during a special segment. Wizkid represented the best of 2020 soca and spoke with E-Prime about selecting the songs from this genre.
And we came hard and we make sure so we deliver everything for us tonight. How many the song them? Like I had to go through and try and see if I can find the bangers.
While DJ Deli found the challenge easy as he selected dancehall hits from 2020.
Selecting the hits from 2020 was pretty easy, you know. I got away with that challenge.
King Taj was challenged with the best of hip-hop and Afrobeat.
Just pick the best, it wasn't all that hard, you know, it wasn't all that, you know, just pick the big song them, I'll be a big song this year, so it wasn't all that hard. Very easy.
Darling, I care for you.
Afrobeat, eh?
More than my own.
Skip Marley.
Darling, I share.
And DJ Roderick featured songs that were selected by listeners for his Best of 2020 reggae segment.
And what I did on my show on The Bounce, I had folks call in and tell me their choice of reggae songs to play tonight. So majority of what I played like Popcorn, teaming up with Protege, you know, I play Lila Ike, I play Assassin Loco. Those are songs that people, you know, love. And I had to drop Lockdown and Lighter.
To be the much-needed entertainment on the weekend. This Saturday, Fame Frequency goes retro with the best of the 80s and 90s. Now, Cedella Marley has put an end to the rumors that were circulating online over the weekend that reggae icon Rita Marley had died. Cedella shared this video on Instagram with the caption, "Jamming with Rita Marley on this beautiful day." The post was met with comments from fans who were happy to see that Rita is still alive. Now, back in 2019, Rita Marley was awarded the Order of Jamaica for her contribution to the development of Jamaican music. Rita Marley, who is a member of the I-Threes and is also known for solo hits such as One Draw, Harambe, God's Plan, and so much things, was the wife of Bob Marley. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.